Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you all? I hope will be. We may Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today will share with you the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to your pupil in the if you like today videos and share it with to you friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how well like and subscribe you want to video related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers, you know, to did the work yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such video. Is amazing. Every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers. So viewers, thank you.